A small little update on YouTube, which has happened recently with Shorts, is that you can now engage with Shorts a little bit differently. The traditional thumbs up and thumbs down buttons are being replaced by a single heart icon for users to show support. Looks quite familiar, doesn't it? The dislike button has been removed for Shorts. And according to YouTube, this is because recent experiments have shown that simplifying these options made it easier for users to give more specific feedback on videos and led to a more intuitive and better experience overall. We've also seen a couple of other new features land with YouTube Shorts this month, including a new feature that allows you to hide all of the on-screen text and overlay buttons with a single tap for an unobstructed viewing experience. I love doing that on TikTok, so I'm sure I'll be doing that over on YouTube Shorts as well. So that's the clear screen option. Particularly good if you're a social media manager looking for great examples to share in a deck, or you present on social media like I do. Having a clear screen sometimes means that you can get to the crux of the video without having all those distracting pieces of furniture over the top. There's a bit of a cleaner layout that has rolled out recently with YouTube Shorts. We've got on-screen features like the audio track and related links organized into a single swipeable carousel. And also users can easily mute a video by tapping to pause, then tapping the new mute icon as well. So a few nice little features going on here. You can also now use a sped up playback rate. So users can now fast forward a short at 2 times the speed, which is brilliant if you're like watching a bit of a podcast, for example. That can work well with that playback speed, just speeding it up. And especially given that so many people are watching podcasts on YouTube, then I think it's interesting to see that they are bringing out more and more features to allow you to easily do that.